Today we're going to be watching Links Along Star Skinner together. This is such a cool idea, man. I'm so cool. How do I make it softer? Sorry, that was loud. Okay. We're gonna watch this movie together, and I'm gonna stop it every now and again to talk about stuff. Okay, so this is really important. This is Christine Jooste, Lynn's mom, and this is her ritual. Pouring wine and putting ice in it. This is what Lynn hears like all the time, that it's become like a ritual. So this is the start of it. We see Lynn's mom is an alcoholic, y'all. Alcoholist.
Kos is op die tafel. Kom eet julle.
Food is on the table. Come eat. That's Lynn. She doesn't actually have blonde hair, y'all. And that's Brom. See baked beans, scrambled eggs.
Ga nog by school?
How's it going at school? Burnt toast.
Eet eers iets, ma. Very nice.
She did 90 maxes. Lynn was like, don't you want to eat something? It's like, bye. She's gonna go sleep. Great mom, guys. Lynn so long storm schooner. They live in a little flat. This is in Victoria. Her mother is asleep again. She's actually supposed to be going to work, guys. She works by Home Affairs. Binnelandse Sake. That's quite important to know. But Lynn gets worried because it's like she just doesn't go to work a lot.
Wat 'n heerlike dag, hè? Kom
Oh,
ons donder hom op. Jy mag maar môre sê.
He's so positive.
Amanda!
Brom rides his bike to school.
Oh, soos gewoonlik. Ek gaan vanmiddag die tannie by die koffieshop sien. Tannie Bets het gereël.
Dink aan die tips. Daai vliegtuigkaartjie hou weer.
So what we know about this, one, he says die vliegtuigkaartjie out of here. So he's talking about that she wants to go overseas. She wants to buy a plane ticket, leave, go. And she's talking about die vrou by die koffiewinkel. That is Tannie Marley by the coffee shop. So Tannie Bet is the lady who lives next to them. She's very nice. So she got Lynn work, so Lynn can earn some money at the coffee shop. So that's where she's going to go after school. They are not actually at Hoërskool Garsfontein. No, they're at Hoërskool Jacaranda. You need to know that. Hoërskool Jacaranda. Jacaranda refers to the jacaranda trees. They have purple flowers, so that's what the school's named after. It's not Garsfontein. That's just in the movie.
Matrix. Wie van julle weet wat julle volgende jaar gaan doen?
They're in matric.
Ons gaan oor die volgende paar weke 'n paar studierigtinge indringend bekyk. Toelatingsvereistes, M-tellings, instansies wat kursusse aanbied. Ons gaan ook 'n paar
That's a lot of big words. It's basically they're going to do a project where they research the careers that they want to go into after school.
sprekers kry om ons toe te spreek wat julle gaan reël. Reg so? Reg, kom stuur vorentoe.
Prokureur, a lawyer.
Kom Johan, kom waar, kom. Sy. Kom ons begin by regte. Mimi, Sally, Hein en Lien. Handelsrigtings, Ricky, Gerben, Quentin, Jacques, Andrea. Beweeg so lank julle groepe in. Kom. IT, Quentin, Jacques, Herman.
You're putting into groups of people who want to go into the same careers.
Alhoewel so mors van tyd.
So, alhoewel is 'n mors van tyd. Has anyone ever said something so true? Life orientation is a waste of time. So, okay, we know everybody in this frame. So that's Lynn, with the blonde hair. She doesn't actually have blonde hair. And then who just spoke is Mimi. Mimi and her end up becoming friends, so, but she's kind of weird. Everyone thinks she's kind of weird. This guy over here is Hein. And all these people are people who want to become lawyers as well. So you need to remember who's in this group. Also who's in this group is Sally Swanepoel. She's also quite important. So you need to, all these people in this allo group actually have quite a impact on Lynn's life all in all.
Maar ons moet seker iewers begin.
Ek klaar al die life skills wat ek nodig het.
Lien, ken jy 'n prokureur? My pa se prokureur is 'n perv, maar ek sal hom bel. Fyn. Jy kan na 'n firma in die stad toe gaan en alles uitvind wat jy kan. Ek sal nie help om haar iets te vra nie.
Molly Satay.
Goeiemiddag.
Ja?
Ek is Lien Jooste wat gebel het oor die kamerwerk.
Ja, Bets het gesê jy het geld nodig. Nou, jy kan sommer dadelik begin, soos jy kan sien die plek is 'n malhuis. Agnes en Sophie kan net nie by alles uitkom. Dis vir jou voorskot.
Dankie.
Ja, reël nommer 1.
Apron.
Alles moet altyd glad verloop. Reël nommer 2. Wees vriendelik en geduldig. As die mense inkom, neem jy hulle na hulle tafel toe en gee vir elkeen 'n spyskaart. Vertel hulle van die koek van die dag en daarna los jy hulle 'n paar minute om te besluit. En jy oom en tannie niemand nie. Dis meneer en mevrou.
Ja, mevrou.
That's just normal things that you would have to do in a coffee shop. You take people, you are friendly, you're patient, you take people to their seats, give them a menu, you tell them what the cake of the day is, and you give them a few minutes to decide. You don't call anybody auntie or uncle. You say ma'am and sir. Now, Lynn's gonna, she's thrown into the deep end here. But yeah.
Mevrou draai.
Dankie.
Almal gelukkig hierso?
Danny Wits.
Christine, en nou my mens, as jy so sit.
Ek was op pad boontoe.
Maar werk jy nie vandag nie?
Nee. Ek voel nie lekker nie. My maag.
Yeah, it's because you drink on an empty stomach.
Ekskuus, is so lank vir my.
Gaan lê jy. Ek bring vir jou iets vir die maag.
Nee, dis nie nodig nie.
Ek het vir julle 'n heerlike pot groentesop gemaak. Ek bring dit sommer saam.
Piets. Jy doen klaar so baie vir ons. Jy kan nie nog kos ook aandra. Medisyne nie.
Ag nee, van is sommer niks. Jy en die kinders is al wat hierdie vervelige ou woonstelblok nog opflikker. En ek het tyd onthou. 'n Ou vrou met niks anders om te doen nie. Kom. Ek stap saam met jou.
I love her, man.
Jy sal nie weet wat jy vir ons beteken nie. Dankie, Bets. Vir alles.
Dis 'n plesier. Dis wat goeie bure doen. Môre oor môre doen jy weer vir my 'n guns. Ooh, kom. Ek moet gaan scones bak.
This doesn't actually happen, which makes me really sad. So the scene doesn't actually happen. Like her mom is actually never so nice to Danny Betts. Like they never actually like. Well, I mean later on, sure, but Danny Betts. This just shows what a role that Danny Betts actually plays in their lives. Like she really looks after them. Like taking them food. Danny Betts looks after them when the mother goes to the clinic. Like she does so much for them. It's enough to make me tear up. Yeah, I'm joking, but it's really nice. So this just shows the role that how much impact she actually has on them and how much she actually helps them.
Die nuwe dominee kom inloer. Ag, hy's 'n vreeslike gawe man.
Do a mini? Foreshadowing? Mm-hmm.
36 rand 38 sent.
Dis beter as niks. Nou môre sal beter gaan.
Actually, they're so cute. In reality, Float actually goes to the coffee shop and orders like a piece of cake or coffee, I think. And then he still gives her like a tip, and she feels bad for taking his money. That's what actually happens. So Brahm is obviously her brother. He would actually do that a lot. He would go stay over at Dion. That's his best friend. It's normally just to get away. I don't think it's quite a negative place to be, don't you think? Yeah. So sometimes he just. So that said, if you don't, that said that he's going to go do his homework by Dion and he's gonna eat there as well. Yeah. So Brahm did that a lot. He would go sleep over, go spend time there. So he wasn't actually around the house very often. What a surprise. She leaves home, her mom's sleeping. She gets home, her mom's sleeping. Sleeping or? Yeah. Lynn wants to travel, y'all. She has like a whole list of places she wants to go. Kind of what she daydreams about. Just leaving, you know? Getting away. And Lynn wakes up in the middle of the night.
Lien. Liener. Lienste.
Lynn, her Lienste. I mean, this just shows. It's like Lynn wakes up in the middle of the night. She's like getting water or something. Her mother is awake. Glass of wine in her hand. It's the middle of the night, and now messing around with this thing. I mean, you can see that she's drunk. It's like it's just unhealthy, you know. Like, and Lynn just gets worried about her. This did actually happen.
Voor ek vergeet, as almal goed voorberei vir môre se mondeling, kan ons
Juffrou
oor môre my nuwe
Breitenbach.
toneelteks lees. Almal wat kan met kom uit DC doen, is 'n lekker stuk.
God, look how many scrolls that guy
Nee?
has.
Sou jy oomblik agterbly?
Lynn, will you stay back for a second?
Ek wou lank met jou praat.
I've wanted to talk to you for a long time. Juffrou Breitenbach is the Afrikaans teacher, but she's also the drama, not the drama teacher, the drama manager, whatever you want to call it. She does the plays for the school that they do. So yeah, so you'll see how that comes into play later on. But now she's like giving Lynn a talking to.
Juffrou,
Jy's al meer as 'n jaar hier, maar jy bly jou een kant hou. Jy neem aan niks deel nie, maak jy vriende nie. Ek weet nie wat jou agtergrond of jou omstandighede by die huis is nie, maar ek kan sien jy kry swaar. Dalk help dit om met iemand te praat. My deur staan op vir jou.
That's not really how. Oh, I paused at the wrong minute. Wait, sorry, but this didn't. What's about to happen is kind of funny. I'm sorry. No, so the conversation did happen. Juffrouw Breitenbach is basically just calling her out on her actions. Like she's kind of just floating around, not making many friends, not really participating in anything. And she obviously came new to your school, Jacaranda. So I mean, it's difficult when you're a new student, but Juffrouw Breitenbach, she's kind of confused as to why she hasn't, made an effort to become a part of the school. So she's saying like she doesn't know what's going on with Lynn at home or anything, but she's saying that she needs to talk to somebody it could help, just to see because she sees that she's struggling. Swaar te kry. So, excuse me for laughing at this next part. Who does that? Yeah.
Ja. Sagter as ek nie maas nie is ek.
Jy wat byt jy nou al, ja.
Bless me.
Ek gaan nie môre jou broek stryk nie.
Ons is soms uit nou vir 'n week.
Nou werk hom in of as jy lank. Eer die stokpad oor is, was die pot en vat hom vir tannie Bedstrom.
Doen dit self.
Ek moet gaan werk of gaan jy vanaand vir ons kos kook?
Sy Afrika is breed naam. Hier's Lews.
That is actually what he says. Use Africa. Or just leaves. It's funny. No, it's like saying so. What's your point? Like shame, but like in a passive aggressive way. Anyway, so Lynn is like saying, "Can you wash the pot that the food came in? Give it back to Tanny Bets." And he's just like, "Why don't you do it yourself?" Oh, he kind of sucks sometimes, shame. So you see, like there, he was lying in the lounge watching TV. It's like that's basically what he does most of the book. It's like he's either watching family videos or he's falling asleep in front of the TV, or that's basically what he does. I mean, he plays cricket and stuff as well, but it's like I think the TV is like the TV is also one of those things you think of when addiction comes up a lot in this in the book. So the TV, Brom watching the TV, it's also part of an addiction because that's sort of an escape that he uses. Deep, I know. Oh.
Wow.
Jesus.
Die breekskade plus die snye koek wat laat val is, altesaam R128.50. Dis konservatief bereken. Julle sal maar net 'n paar middae verniet moet werk.
Maar dit was 'n ongeluk. Dit kom met enige iemand gebeur het.
Jou houding staan my nie aan die juffroukie.
Mevrou,
Of jy help my betaal aan my verlies of jy vat jou goed en jy loop.
She thinks she's such a badass. She said she's gonna pay it back when she has it. She's not gonna do it for free.
Hi.
Casey.
Jammer ek het nie vooraf gebel nie. Ek was in die gebou gewees en het gewonder hoe gaan dit met julle.
Nonsense.
Ek is die dominee.
Sit af die bloody ding.
Hallo Dominee Bram. Gaan dit?
Ek gaan koffie maak.
That is funny. He's just watching him put his pants on. So a Domini is a priest, not a priest. Shit, what's a Domini? I forgot what Domini. Minister, not minister. That's not right. Okay. I can't remember what it is. He's a Domini. Preacher. No. Anyway, he works by the church. He works by the church. He comes around and he checks how families are doing. I think he was tipped off to come here, honestly. I don't think he was just in the building or whatever. And he does like random pop-bys because like then people go like it's unexpected, you know? Obviously seen by Brom putting his pants on here. So he's going to become quite an important character in the end, or close to the end.
Dominic, kom maar sit. Dankie.
Yeah. The Japan song, bro. Making some coffee.
Die van leef jou voor, né? Het jou planne vir volgende jaar.
Gaan 'n gap jaar vat.
Want jy's seker nie te bekommerd oor die eksamen nie. Jy's mos maar slim kom.
Nou, nie sodat mense sal agterkom nie.
Luister, julle, my huis is reg langs die kerk. Julle is regtig baie welkom om te kom inloer. En te kom praat oor probleme of enigiets. Dit is my werk om te help.
Dankie, die sop was baie lekker.
Foei tog, ek is bly, hartjie. Kom sit. Ek het 'n heerlike sjokoladekoek. As jy nie help nie, eet ek alles alleen op.
Wanneer moet Tannie weer gaan weeg?
Ag, nee, wat?
So that's like not something normal that you ask. Anyway, it's like wanneer gaan Tannie nog weeg? So that's like when is she gonna go weigh herself again? Back when we weren't so body positive, there was these weight loss clubs where people would get together and they would all try and like lose weight, and they all sort of hold each other accountable in losing weight or not. So, and then it's basically asking her, like, when are you going to go weigh yourself again, because you're like trying to lose weight. Saying that while eating a massive piece of chocolate cake, but you know, sometimes food just has you in a chokehold, you know.
Ons worry môre weer oor die weegery.
Dankie.
Sy.
Dankie.
Sy. Ag, dankie skat. Hoe gaan dit met jou en Mali?
Ag, nie goed nie. Eintlik sleg gereg.
Ag nee. Foei tog. Maar sy kan moeilik wees. Ek meen vir 'n vrou met sulke hare moet jy versigtig wees.
Ja, sy is heeltemal onredelik. Ek en Agnes het in mekaar vasgeloop met 2 skinkborde, maar per ongeluk. En sy dring aan dat ons die skade terugbetaal. En hierdie hele manier hoe sy dit gedoen het. Ek het vir haar gesê ek werk nie meer daar nie.
Toe maar wat. Maak ons 'n ander plan. Dalk het Dirkie hulle nog iemand in die salon nodig. Hy bly mos hier onder my in nommer 4. Hy's 'n oulike seun, fooi tog.
So cute. Dirkie en Donovan, the Millennium Creation.
Ek eers begin praat, gaan julle my nie stil kry nie. Onthou altyd, ek weet alles.
Mimi. So they kind of just they left out a lot. But anyway, Juffrouw Breitenbach tells Lynn to come and audition for the play. They're doing The Breakfast Club. So she told, come audition, could be good for you. So this is where Lynn is now. She's auditioning. Well, Mimi just auditioned and Lynn's going to go audition for a role in the play.
Dankie Mimi, dit was 'n interessante interpretasie. Wie's volgende? Lynn, kom ga hier. Ek wil jy moet vir die rol van Maria lees. Bladsy 7.
Wie is Maria?
Dis 'n lekker rol. Sien jy kans?
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Oh my word.
Ek kan 'n bees ontbeet. Die kos is reg.
Ruik lekker.
Spaghetti bolognese. Hoe was jou dag?
Okay. Lawson?
Nee, ook goed. My running tummy is 'n bietjie beter.
Ek het nou net geaudisie vir die skoolplay.
En, hoe het dit gegaan?
Ek dink nie ek gaan gekies word nie.
Ag, ek is seker jy was briljant. En waaroor gaan dit?
'n Klomp kinders wat attensie sit en dan kom maar spul goed uit. Blykbaar is die fliek The Breakfast Club het maat gesien.
Ja, met Emilio Estevez.
Ek was nog op universiteit.
Bram, was jy aan haar eeters?
Pouring wine.
Jy so bekommerd lyk nie.
Don't look so worried.
Hoe gaan dit met die cricket?
Okay, my batting is goed op die oomblik. Nou staan nog kans om nog die liga te wen hierdie jaar, maar is nou maar net tussen ons en voortrekker. Saterdag 50 gekry. 2 paltjies gevat en 'n goeie catch in die glippe. Ag, kan ons nie iets anders te luister nie. Ek het iets wat my op moet hoor.
We listen to something else.
Mis maar vandag werk toe.
Binnelandse sake staan dan nog.
Is maar nie in die moeilikheid oor nou die siekte verlof nie.
Jy kom nie eens agter as ek hier daar was nie.
You don't even realize
Dan
you're not
het ek
there.
my waitressing job gereël, maar dit het nie uitgewerk nie. Die eienares was 'n absolute heks.
Jy kan sê dis alles toeval. Dis maar soos dit is.
Onthou daarvan.
Mense wat mekaar ontmoet.
He actually plays Black Eyed Peas, but you know.
Seker Wouter wat my biologie teks kom leer.
Hallo Lien. Ek's Dirkie.
Dirkie!
Weet.
Jy kan môre begin. 2 uur op die kop. R15 'n uur. Reg met jou.
Ja, dankie.
Tot môre dan. Hoop jy geniet dit daar by ons.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
That actually happened over the phone. That was kind of awkward in person. With the box in her hand. Yeah. Lynn sewing the seam of Ron's pants. She literally goes into her room with a box of wine. The cassette. The cassette? I think it's, yeah, they have their family videos on it. That's what they watch. That's what Brom watches. Videos of them like from before all this started. Now at Millennium Creations, where Lynn's busy working.
Hallo? Koffietjie?
Dankie.
Plesier.
So even van 'n slawedrywer vandag, hè? Sjoe, moenie mou nie, jy like dit as ek jou druk.
Wil ek nou vir jou aansteek ook?
Asseblief, as nie te veel moeite is nie.
Dis dankie.
It's unnecessary.
Jy kan ook nou kom vir 'n free cut, omdat jy nou hier werk.
So 'n bietjie last season.
Kan my broer nie my plek kom nie. Hy het nodig as ek.
Hulle kan ons altyd kom, né?
Tuurlik. Kom gou hierso. Net kyk. Staan net so 'n paar sentimeter korter en dan doen ons iets aan hierdie kuif, okay?
Okay.
Sal nice wees.
Klink goed.
Iets aan jou.
Ah, dankie.
Jy kan sommer lus aan met my kry. Ek moet net gou by die Pick n Pay stop.
Okay, bye.
This is where it all begins. She sees someone begging and she's like, oh.
Dirkie en Donovan sê hulle sal jou hare verniet sny.
Ja, ek gaan nie by daai plek nie.
By detensie sit.
His hair isn't even that long.
Soek jy nog 'n borg vir die cricketspan? Miskien moet jy vir Dirkie hulle vra.
Sy mal. Dis 'n vrouensplek daar. Ek gaan nie daarin nie.
Dink aan die kommissie. Julle kry mos 15% van alles wat julle insamel. As jy hulle R2000 vra, kry jy soos R300.
Ek gaan nie daarin.
Dit kan vir jou nuwe jeans koop.
Nee, ek gaan nie daarin.
Dirkie het gesê jy moet so 2:30 kom.
Not really giving much of a choice, are you? Now we get to see whether she got the role or not.
Maria, wat jy gaan doen as jy klaar is met skool?
Professioneel cricket speel as hy kan. Hy's baie goed. Ja, kry 100-talle, bal goed. Hulle gaan die liga wen. Het julle 'n bemarkingsplan vir die salon?
Nee my engel, waar val jy nou uit?
Net skielik 'n brainwave gehad. Braham, hoekom vra jy nie vir Dirkie en Donovan om julle cricketspan te borg nie?
Of is 'n sponsor.
Ja, dis nie te baie geld nie. Dis vir pette, hemde, sakke. O, en die borg se logo sal op alles staan. As hulle die liga wen, dan gaan daar 'n hele paar foto's in die koerant wees.
Okay, so die koerant kry foto's en what's in it for me?
Baie exposure. Die seuns se ma's, meisies en sissies sal hiernatoe stroom. Almal sal sien julle gee om vir julle gemeenskap se jeug.
Hoeveel?
3000.
Maar ons weet niks van cricket af nie.
Ons sal julle leer. Daar's nie so baie om te weet nie. Cricket is eintlik easy man. Dis 'n goeie belegging. Julle sal nie spyt wees nie.
Okay. Maar ons wil ons logo op alles hê. Alright?
Ja.
En die kleur van die hemde en alles self kies.
Natuurlik.
What did they do? Because in reality, he actually did like the haircut.
Alles is so duur. Eerst as mense in die winkel kom, is die pryse op. Hoe moet 'n mens lewe?
This reaction is so funny. She's like, oh, the prices in the shops are so expensive. How does a person live? And then it's like, oh, maybe if you didn't buy so much wine, then we'd have more money for groceries. Oh, it's funny.
Lien. Hi, ek verjaar vandag. Dis 8 uur. Ek en jy gaan na skool by die Wimpie eet. Ons hoef nie lank te bly nie. Ek kan sien net ook jy eintlik baie pelle hier rond nie. Jy vat nie stront van hierdie simpel skool nie. Dit impress my.
Geluk met jou verjaarsdag.
Kry jy na skool by die hek.
Okay.
So this is how the friendship starts. Mimi's 18th birthday. Her being Mimi, she just goes up to Lynn and is like, I'm gonna go to the Wimpy. It doesn't show it in here, but Lynn actually goes to the Wimpy a lot. Like that's what she does with Voto. Like they go get a coffee by the Wimpy and that type of thing. So she's gonna go with Mimi to the Wimpy, celebrate her 18th birthday. And that's gonna be the start of their beautiful little friendship.
Ons gaan iets aan die rekwisietekamer agter in die saal moet doen voor ons met die nuwe stuk begin. Wie sien kans?
Prop room needs to be organized.
Lien? Kan jy asseblief nog iemand kry om my kom help? Die res van julle gaan solank aan met julle opstelle. Die deur bly oop, onthou meneer Briewer is net hier langs aan. Stof en gemors, ek weet nie waar om te begin nie. Wolfie. Dit is Rooikapie se mantel van 2 jaar gelede. Wat 'n produksie. 'n Bietjie alternatiewerig, maar 'n meesterstuk.
Masterpiece.
Gaan julle twee so lank aan? Ek gaan gou 'n besem met 'n stoflap soek.
Kyk, Maike.
Wigs.
Wow. Dis amazing. Ek dink dit is so om, nee. Ek dink.
Ja.
Waar's ek nou? Daar's hy.
Daar's hy.
Mhm.
Jy lyk soos Julia Roberts, net sonder die mond. Of soos 'n hoeker wat op beter dae geken het.
Jy. Geluk. So, gaan julle vanaand uitgaan vir jou verjaarsdag?
Ons celebrate mos nou. Ja. My pa wil my uitvat vir ete, maar dit gaan my nie pas nie. Ek wil iets op TV kyk.
Wat doen jou pa?
IT. Uit sy eie company. Maak baie geld. Dis min by die huis. Ag, hy's maar 'n bietjie van 'n drip.
En jou ma?
Sy's 'n sepie slaaf. Sy het 'n M toegepaste beskrywing, maar my pa wil nie hê sy moet werk nie.
So.
Ek kyk sy sepies en die cooking channel, maar sy maak nie kos nie. Sy het 'n kok. En jou ouers?
My ma het eers maar 4 gegee. Maar nou werk sy by binnelandse sake.
En jou pa?
Ons het nie eintlik kontak nie.
Is Wouter jou boyfriend?
Ja. Ons is net buddies. Ons het verlede jaar op dieselfde dag by die skool aangekom. En van toe af is ons beste vriende.
Hy's 'n cool ou.
Ja, nogal.
Isai. En jy onthou ek het vir jou gesê om nie te geheg raak aan die job nie, want dit is net tydelik. Maar as Sue Ellen wil terugkom, sy kan maandag weer begin. Ek weet nie, die baby gaan by 'n tannie of iemand bly.
Moet asseblief nooit weer vir my Engels sê nie. Ek haat dit.
Jy kan nog steeds elke 2 maande vir jou free sitcom en ons sal nog steeds jou broer se span sponsor.
Ek is jammer. Hy en Sue Ellen is baie close en hy is die senior partner.
So she loses the job because the woman who did the job before her went on maternity leave, but now she's coming back. So Lynn doesn't have work there anymore. So she's quite upset because now, you know, like, what is she going to do for money? Because she was saving up. She tells Donovan to, like, never call her an angel again because that annoys her. Donovan says he'll still sponsor the cricket team and she can still come for a free haircut. Yeah, and Durkee's just there to be like, he can't do anything about it because Donovan has more shares in the company. So
Donovan.
Shame.
Ek voel so sleg dat jy met jou geld moet kos koop.
Maar kan altyd weer begin les gee. Hoekom speel ma nie meer nie?
Klavier vir kos geld verkoop.
Gonna sell the piano for food. For money for food. I'm sorry, I know she's a bit dramatic. Oh no! Panic stations!
Len. Ariel kom al. Waar's Boetie?
Mother's sick. She's drunk coming to pick them up. And Lynn's now worried, like everyone's now seeing her mother drunk. coming to come pick them up either. Because she never comes to pick them up, so. And Votes is there to save the day.
Dis okay. Dink jy mamma's fyn? Waar's Bram?
Alles oké, kind.
Dis okay, Lien.
Hallo Lien. Ek kom nou help. Ek gaan net gou iets in die kar haal.
He's like, I think he fish something in my car.
Dis oké.
Dis so embarrassing.
Toe maar, nie baie kinders het al gesien nie. Ons was omtrent eerste by die hek.
Oh, Votes, so
Ek is
positive.
regtig jammer oor net.
Dis oké.
Lien. Ek wil nie in jou babbel inklim nie. Maar jou ma moet hulp kry.
Your mom needs to get help.
Jou ma moet in 'n rehab of so iets ingaan.
Dominee. Mr. Casey himself.
Ek is regtig bly het gekom, hoor.
It's kind of hard.
Ek weet nie waar om te begin nie.
Where do I begin? Begin with the beginning.
Ek het gedink alles gaan oukei wees. My pa het 'n fout gemaak en 'n prys daarvoor betaal.
So here she speaks about what happened to her dad. This is the first time that not actually talking about it. The dad went to jail because he was a lawyer and he stole money from his clients. So he had to go to jail for that. So he's in jail right now. He's in die tronk. So now she's explaining like her mother now has a problem, like she has a drinking problem, she needs to get help for it. Explains that her dad is in the jail, yada yada yada. And so now Casey can help now with this.
Op 'n dag is daar mense wat ons goed kom vat en ons moet trek. Het ons grand huis woonstel toe.
Yeah, they took all their
En dis my ma
possessions.
begin drink het.
That's when my mother started drinking. It's empty. This is extremely dramatic.
Vas met sis.
That's made like hang in there.
Hey. My pa drink ook. Baie. Meneer rook ook meer as net sy Camel Photos. Dis alles staf. Dis nie onskuld nie. Meneer sal verder torture nie.
Dankie.
This actually happens in the bathroom, like in a more private place, because this is kind of crazy. Like in the middle of nowhere, like, yeah, our parents' addictions, you know? So she says that her dad smokes stuff stronger than Camel filters. So it's like he smokes things that are stronger than cigarettes. So we assume from that he does drugs. Like, and Lynn like judged her before this, and it's like, she's a short skirt, she doesn't do anything, yada yada yada. But I mean, she's actually going through stuff with her parents, like similarly to what Lynn is going through. So Sally just basically tells her like, that's what they do, you know. It's part of yeah, it's like it's their problem, so we shouldn't feel like we are responsible for it. That's basically what she's saying. It's not your fault. The skirt isn't even that short. She's confused because why would Tanny Bets message her during school?
Sê eers, dis my ma, nee.
Lien, ons het vanoggend 'n baie lang gesprek gehad en sy het ingestem om vir 'n rukkie vir behandeling te gaan. Sy's opgeneem in 'n kliniek. So 3 of 4 weke.
En ek gaan vir julle sorg solank sy daar is.
And look after you while she's in the clinic.
Moenie so stres nie, sy gaan okay wees. Sy stuur vir julle baie liefde.
Maar die eerste ruk mag 'n mens nie bel nie. En ook geen besoekers kry nie, maar ek sien julle vat sodra julle mag gaan kuier.
Sy erken daarom nou dat sy 'n probleem. Dis die eerste stap na gesond word.
She recognizes that she has a problem, and that's the first step to becoming healthy. When are we going to hear some Nora Jones? This really bothers me. I must. In the book, they do not make the t-shirts pink. They don't. They make it like light green or something. I can't remember. But they don't make it pink. And what really annoys me is that the movie takes such liberties with the subtle nuances between Donovan and Durkee. It's never specifically said in the book that they're gay or that they're together. It's just it's a little bit of a nuance, and the movie takes such exaggerates that to such a point, like to even make that the golfers or the top. You're cheering, but it's a bad thing. Such sad music. Counting how much money she has. She's been having to spend money on food, but she's actually trying to save it for her airplane ticket.
Ek het 'n groot guns om vir juffrou te vra. Kan ek iets uit die kosietenkamer uitleen? 'n Ou pruik en 'n brilletjie, net vir 'n paar dae. Ek sal baie mooi oppas.
Doesn't ask any questions.
Kyk mooi daarna.
Dankie.
I love how she says just for a few days, but then she ends up having it for months. Getting off the bus in heels, bro. That always was so strange to me. doesn't show, but there was a scene where she had to go to the library in the school and print out a poster, and she's like being really secretive about what the poster says. And then you get to this and you're like, oh, so that's why she needs to be secretive of it. She's uncomfortable. Aardloos. Twee afhankelijk. Doesn't have work. Two people dependent on her. That's so real. Shame. She's on the wrong side as well. Like, you should actually be like on the side of the driver, because if there's no passenger, then the driver has to like lean over to give you money.
Hey! Hey! Jy daar by die rok. Hey, waar gaan jy wegkom? Fok op is werklik nie. Goed zeg.
Nee.
Wat staan daar?
Ek is jammer ek
Daar oorkant.
Alright. Hier.
Ja, daar oorkant. Toe winkel.
Is dit niemand se plek nie?
Nee, is Johnny's in my huis, Joburg. Toe winkel.
That actually happened. That's Russ.
Op die blauw.
It's probably uncomfortable to wear glasses the whole day if you don't actually have to wear glasses. Hot, eat it.
Hey, you.
Hey, you.
You with the glasses. Ons break now for tea. You want to join us? Come on, girl. This tea break, nie lunch break, nie. Come. Ek is Tibby. Die old lady is Roos.
Tibby.
Hi. Ek's Lien. Lien Jooste.
Welkom, Leanne Josta. Killing. So, you're new. Hoe laat?
Werk jy al lankie?
Roos is a regular. My eye come and go.
Is jy 'n Blue Bull fan?
No ways. Ek het nie 'n klou van rugby nie. Maar in hierdie town gaan jy nowhere kom as jy sê jy support Mamelodi Sundowns.
For real.
Ek het as hulle sien jy support die Bulls.
Ek raak jammer ek het op die plek gestaan.
Jou bord is te fancy. Mense gaan nie dink jy's arm nie. Kry vir jou sonblok, die son gaan vir jou gaar word.
Okay.
Jou voete gaan net hier in daai skoen.
So it's like Lynn feels bad that she now stood on Ruiz's spot, but it's like the way that Ruiz almost not like forgives her, but like she doesn't acknowledge the apology, but she gives her advice in exchange, almost like, okay, now I forgive you, like but instead of saying I forgive you, I'm gonna help you instead. So she basically tells her like, you're bored, your little poster thing, too fancy. People aren't going to think you're poor. And then she needs to get new shoes because those ones, she's never going to do with those. This is where the title comes in, guys. Leans a long stone schooner. Shoes that she needs to stand in for a long time. It's the family videos that Ron watches. When they were younger, you know? Simpler times.
Wat is jou storie? Jy sê die weirdo met geen vriende nie. Is daar iets fout met jou brein of wat?
Ekskuus. Dit sal makliker wees as ek iets vir hom kan sê.
Jy sien, jou karakter is hier nog nie gereed om te praat nie. En Christian se karakter is nog nie reg om te luister nie en dis hoekom hulle so swak kommunikeer. Ons sal dit regkry, moenie bekommerd wees nie. Kom ons vat 'n ruskans van 15 minute.
They audition, not auditions, they practices the play. Lynn is struggling with her character because she's weird. Someone's playing the harmonica. I wonder who that could be.
Lynn,
Wat maak jy?
ons bou dekor in die uitwerklokaal. Ek wil die saal sluit as hulle klaar is.
Ek het nie geweet jy is into musiek nie. Dis baie mooi. Wat was dit?
Ek dink is Moon River of so iets. My oupa het my geleer. Hy is los dood.
So die geld is goed.
Ja.
En waar presies is die nuwe plek?
Staan oor kan die nuwe shopping center.
En is dit soos 'n coffee shop of 'n restaurant?
Restaurant, cocktailbar.
As jy naweek werk, sal ek vir jou kuier.
Ons het 'n private function 21st. Ons is nie oop vir gewone mense nie.
Hallo Tannie. Oh, baie dankie.
Lies to Wouter, not telling him that she's begging.
Niks het toe wel as jy my huis afgebrand oom. Dis 'n bietjie erg deesdae. Lekker dag verder op die blou.
Dis nie fair nie. Jy maak 2 keer meer as ek.
You must look them in the eye. They must know you know they're there. Dat hulle guilty voel as hulle niks gee nie. Maar moenie te aggressief wees nie, dan raak hulle bang. En jy sê altyd dankie. Die Here seën u. Jy moet die handout appreciate, want jy's arm and you need them. They don't need you.
Voel jy nooit skuldig dat jy hulle geld vat nie?
Jy moet jou matriek klaar maak, hoor jy?
Die meeste van die kinders wat hier sit is skuil. Jy's net bang en dit gaan jou nêrens bring nie.
En dan gaan jy Opie side af, Mimi? Goed. Net tot hier vanaand. Dankie julle. Ons vorder baie goed.
My pa's weg vir die naweek, is net ek en my ma by die huis. Kom kuier by my, ons kan die huis leeg gee.
My ma sy's weg vir die naweek. Ek moet na my broer kyk, jy weet, kos gee en so aan.
Hy kan by ons kom eet, of hy kan net saamkom, of ons kan vir hom kos stuur. Dink daaroor, dan sê jy my okay.
Kyk.
Nag juffrou.
Naglie.
Maat gebel.
En?
En wat?
Wat sê sy, jy idioot?
Sy kom nog volgende week huis toe. Maar sy is met Tannie Betsrel.
Tussen vier opnieuw. Ek en jy in 'n wêreld blyk dit idee. Ons sak is die shores in frangipani en blare. Jy is my ondergrond.
It's interesting to note that they never went to go visit their mother in the clinic. This is Lynn by Mary's house.
Hoe bly jy so maar? Jy eet soos 'n wolf.
Ek het my pa se metabolisme. Hy's baie maar.
Kom sê jou pa se druk.
Want hy kom nooit uit sy studeerkamer uit nie en hy luister Pink Floyd kliphard en bou modelvliegtuigies soos 'n blerrie kind.
Jou ma is nice. My ma is albelis. Sy is op die oomblik in 'n kliniek.
Cool. Ons moet vir haar gaan kuier. Ons is baie freaks.
Sy gaan nou enige dag uitkom.
Ma, ek het so na julle verlang.
I missed you.
Bly maar terug. Maar ek goed.
I'm happy you're back. You look good.
Kan ek vir ietsie inskink om te drink en 'n toerytjie maak?
Nee, ek is amper weer op pad. Ons respekteer vanaand. Ek sal iets as ek terugkom.
Is jy klaar gerepeteer?
Hulle doen teen julle waarin ek nie is nie.
They're practicing, but she isn't in the scene.
Speel weer daai liedjie wat jou oupa jou geleer het. Moon River.
Play the song.
Wil jy regtig 'n prokureur word?
You really want to be a lawyer?
My pa wil ek moet. Hy het nooit geswat hè.
Wat wil jy doen?
Bou. Goed my hande maak. Iets van ek kan vat en kan kyk as ek klaar is.
Wants the whole stuff.
En kom vir hom?
Ek wonder sommer.
Why are you asking? Oh, I'm
Ek wil
just
ook iets
wondering.
Die matriek afskryf? Dit sal my gaan.
Will you go with me to the matric dance?
Ek het eintlik soort van Wouter het my soort van ek en Wouter gaan klaar saam.
Yeah, couldn't High and ask me to the matric dance? Sure. No, I'm kidding. Am I? No, okay. It doesn't show it, but like in the beginning, Wouter and Lynn would have this thing. Like Lynn didn't want to go to the matric dance, and then Wouter sort of convinced her to go with him because she was like, oh, it's like a circus and people were like, she just didn't see the reason for it, and she also didn't think she could afford going to the matric dance, just because you have to buy a dress and all that type of stuff. So, but then they sort of joked about it, and they're like, yeah, we can go in jeans and like show them, So they eventually ended up agreeing to go together. But you'll see, Helene has also been kind of jealous because she hasn't been around a lot. She's been obviously begging and stuff. She's been begging in the morning, so she's been missing Vota because they normally walk to school together. So, and then after school, she's been seeing Vota with Ricky and what's her name, Sunette. Ricky and this other girl, and she's got quite jealous about that. So, but she's pretty sure that they kind of like each other, but she doesn't know. Well, she's pretty sure Ricky likes Vota, but she doesn't know. Yeah, so you'll see what happens.
Dankie dat jy my weggevra het.
So Grobbie sê as ek so aanhou gaan ek beslis genooi word vir die proewe.
Ons wag net vir jou, Lien.
Sit suster, ek wil eet en baie eet.
Voor ons begin. Ek weet die afgelope 2 jaar was moeilik en ek is regtig jammer oor alles wat ek gedoen het om dit nog moeiliker te maak. Die ding met julle pa. Als dit so ek het so uitgerafel. En ek sit er om te dink of vinnig dinge agteruit gegaan het.
Dis okay, ma. Ons sit bly maar terug en ons beter.
Ek het baie om reg te maak. Met myself en met julle. En ek hoop julle kan my vergewe.
Forgive me.
Ma is vergewe. Cheers.
Jy is so stil, Lien.
Ons speel donderdag teen Fonteine, ma moet kom kyk.
Ek mis dit vir niks. Ek begin eers weer maandag werk.
Doesn't look like Lynn forgives her mother.
Hi.
Bye, dankie.
Bye, dankie.
This is such a thing for Lynn. Like it plays on her mind because she sees these older man and woman, and they're in like this really old truck, and they still give her money, and she's like, they are probably worse off than she is, but she's still taking her money. Like a lot of what she deals with this guilt of like not, yeah, like this guilt of not feeling like she, yeah, I mean, like, because she's not. There are people who are poorer than her, you know, that like don't have a place to live, don't have like anything. I mean, she still has food to eat, she still goes to school and all that stuff. So it's like she has this sort of guilt for taking people's money when sometimes they need it more than she does, you know. Look who we have here.
Môre. Jy kry seker warm.
Nogal.
That was spirit, I'm pretty sure. There's nothing in the fridge. Check that frame though, that's such good light.
Wat drink maar?
Dis net koffie. Ontspan.
Just coffee. Glass broke?
Dit was net 'n ongeluk.
It was just an accident. Nothing to worry about. Sometimes people that's going through withdrawals from their addiction has the shakes. Probably all it is.
Baie geluk sis en dankie vir alles.
Ja, happy, hier so 'n klein bydrae vir die fonds.
Ai nee, mag julle eers kos, dan koek. Hey, maar wat van 'n wyntjie? Wouter, sal jy vir Ag, jene Christine, dit was nou onsensitief van my.
Nee, Bet, skryf julle 'n wyntjie. Moenie oor my. Lien is vandag 18.
Nee, wag, ek het van Hoelie se lekker sap. Wouter, kom help my.
Ek is bly om Tannie te ontmoet. Tannie moet my nog alles vertel, né?
Het is lekker om jou ook te ontmoet. Lien is gelukkig om vriende soos julle te hê.
Look at the cat dragon. Sure. Is that like $50? Bringing the notes out. Yeah, could you be any more suspicious? Any more obvious?
Maar beloof.
Ag, dis 'n wyntjie.
Dit's net een wyntjie.
Want ek werk nie meer by binnelandse sake nie.
She got fired from her work.
Welkom terug. Op binnelandse sake. Moenie.
Yeah. It's probably the cheapest wine you can get, man. Yep. What relapse can do for you. $dollar bills. At one point she makes quite a bit of money. Oh, bro.
Brompie.
The disappointment. Just go straight back out. Can't just be a veintjie if you get drunk.
Dalk was dit net gisterand. Jy weet, die paar glase wyn oor die skok van die werk. Dit beteken nie sy gaan weer begin drink nie.
Dalk het sy lankal weer begin. Ons het net nie agtergekom nie. Of dalk het sy by die werk. Hoekom sal hulle haar nou skielik vaar?
Jy moet die dominee laat weet.
Kyfie. Ag, hy is te lig in die wind.
Lily, jy kan nie niks doen nie.
Ek gaan 'n vliegkaartjie Londen toe koop. Sy kan hom maar doodsyp.
Ja, en wat van Bram?
Hy kan by 'n pel gaan bly. Hy's in elk geval nooit by die huis nie.
Shane Boats is just trying to help.
Waar's ma?
Weet nie, sy soek seker werk. Hoor jy my fiets het weer gebreek.
Ek sal vir Hein vra. Hy's nogal aandag.
Was nie regtig enigiets om te eet in die huis nie.
Ek sal winkels toe gaan as ek klaar gewerk het, okay?
Ek kort ook nie by die ouderend.
Uh-oh. So this was quite a thing. So we don't actually see this in the book, but um, I'm pretty sure Tony Betts asks Len and Brom to come over again, tells them their mother went back to the clinic, and then they explained that the mother actually stole something from a shop. Domini smoothed it over so that they wouldn't press charges, said that she has a problem. She's going to get help for it. So, clinic visit number 2.
Ek het die situasie aan hulle verduidelik en hulle gaan
Explain the
nie 'n klag lê nie.
situation.
Maar daar is voorwaardes, Christine.
Hallo Tannie Bets. Ja, Tannie. Op pad werk toe Tannie, kom. Nee, toe maar ek sal self bel. Ja, Tannie. Bye.
Julle ma het 'n glipsie gehad.
Relapse.
Sy was vanmiddag in Pick n Pay en sy het iets probeer vat sonder om daarvoor te betaal.
Wat? Ag. Nie eens R30 nie, dit was net 'n ongeluk. En sy het ingestem om terug te gaan vir behandeling.
Sy is klaar weer opgeneem. En ek glo werklik dat hierdie keer doen sy dit vir haarself.
Ons het ook gedink.
Dalk moet julle vir 'n ruk na julle oom toe gaan, daar gaan bly.
Ek maak genoeg geld by die werk. Genoeg om hier te betaal en vir als ons nodig het. Asseblief Tannie, ons sal regkom. Ons het dan laas. Ons sal elke tweede aand by Tannie kom eet.
Nou maar goed. Maar julle kom eet elke aand hier en julle bring julle wasgoed hiernatoe en julle kom haal julle broodjies in die oggende.
Deal. Ek moet skiet.
Ons eet nou. Ek maak vir ons 'n briljante pastaitjie.
So Lynn doesn't want to go to her uncle, or they don't want to stay there, because then she won't be able to beg. So she says she'll pay the rent with her begging money.
Lien.
Guy with all the scrolls.
Lately bietjie min by die skool gewees. Hoe meneer Prover begin vra.
Dis my nek. Ek het 'n brief.
Moet van die dokter af wees, 'n mediese sertifikaat of so iets.
Hy is by kongres in Pole. Hy is oor 2 weke terug. Byt vas tot dan. Jy glo my nie, jy dink ek lieg.
Chill man. Ek sal vir Prover sê jou
This guy's name. Christian. So he's the class captain. They actually made him class captain as a joke because he's actually the class clown. But they made him class captain. So the reason that he's now asking Len about her whereabouts is because she started missing school so that she could beg, because now she obviously needs to make enough money to pay for the rent and to pay for food and everything. So that's why she needs to take time off school to beg now as well to make more money. So now the class captain picks this up because he obviously does register every morning. So when he goes to ask her, and she just gives him a letter from her mother, because he's the class captain, he actually he knows all the tricks and stuff. So he doesn't believe her when she says her neck or whatever, which I mean kind of makes sense because it's not really a kind of makes sense because she's not like, you don't have a doctor's certificate or medical certificate to actually show. So, and I mean, anyone can just forge their mother's signature or whatever, or their parents' signature. So that's why he doesn't believe her, but you can't really do anything about it. So that's what this is about. But this is how we know that Lynn's been missing school to beg.
Briefs van die dokter af.
I can't get over how many scrolls this guy has. He has 3 rows. Oh, it's just what happens sometimes. Stop crying. I'm sorry. Poor Tibby, man. He's the real victim of this. Was run over. This is a mother. Look who it is. She's like a doctor or something that helps him. So whose house is she in? She's in Stritt's house. She takes him to his house to clean up. $1 bills.
Waar is jou vrou en jou dogtertjie?
Nou, dat sal nou hier wees. Koop vir jou iets wat jy nodig het.
Nee, nee, dis okay, dankie.
Jammer, ek dacht, hou dit maar.
That probably one of the most important things that happens in the entire book. This freaks Lynn out for like forever. She actually thinks about it for a second. She thinks about Rosa's daughter, who is a what do you call it? What's the nice way to say it? An escort. Like like yeah, she works for an agency. So Lynn, it's not the first time Lynn's heard about it, and she looked at all the money and she thought about it, and it's played on her mind ever since, thinking, would she have actually done it for the money? Would she do that for the money, you know? Yeah. Just add it to the list of trauma this girl has.
is jammer. Sy bene is af. Net onder kan die knieë. Hy's nog baie swak. Eintlik behoort net die familie te kom kuier. Ons werk saam. 2 minute. Net 2 minute en dan moet jy vaai. Timmy. Als sal regkom. Ons gaan 'n plan maak, okay?
Gonna make a plan. Everything's gonna be okay. Check. His legs were amputated, just under the knee. Another family video that Brom watches. He actually watches far more than what's shown in the movie. Like, he watches one almost at the end of like every chapter.
Hy moet buitekant beweeg, in 'n straatkant rondry. Jy is ons goed met jou hande. Sal jy iets kan maak?
Ek sal kyk wat ek kan doen. Wanneer het jy dit nodig?
So gou as moontlik.
En wie gaan daarvoor betaal?
Ek gaan vir almal vra wat hier rond staan. Almal ken hom, almal is lief vir hom.
Die spul, hulle gaan niks gee nie. Die blerrie ou Johnny. Hy's vrot. Maar die ou donder moet seker ook maar eet soos ons almal. Wie sal kan sê van goed en wie sal kan sê van sleg. Hey! Johnny! Jy gaan staan nie daar nie. Jy los Timmy se hoek uit, ek watch vir jou. Larry mans mense.
Ai. Waar is jou man, Roos?
Lank al weg. Ek weet nie waar nie en ek wil ook nie weet nie.
Jy was lief vir hom.
Ja. En Janine, toe ons op die plaas gebly het, was baie lekker. Maar toe maak meneer mos moeilikheid. Geld gevat, toe jaag die boer ons weg. En toe besluit meneer, dis nou sy tyd om 'n clean break te vat en hy's daar weg. Met die flossie van die koöperasie. Ons net so gelos vir my en my kind. Sy was toe al in matriek. Ons is Pretoria toe. Sonder geld en sonder werk. Maar sy kry toe 'n jobbie by 'n insurance company. En raak met rubbish deur mekaar. 3 babies later sit sy by die agency en ek sit hier. Maar ons leef. Come, let's go.
Lief, ek het jou verrassing. Kom. Hy's klaar. En dit werk.
So this is the wheelchair type contraption that they make for Tippy, so that he can still beg, and he can move it around with his arms.
That's amazing.
Ends up being a lot of money.
Plezier.
Couple $1,000. At the clinic now. Decides not to do it. First family video with dad in it. chat.
What am I to do with this thing?
I love Tibby.
Tibby, Heiner het spesiaal vir jou gebou sodat jy jou werk kan doen. Jy sal van jou kamer na die entertainment corner toe kan ry. Dis nie te ver nie en die karretjie is sterk. En hy het vir jou 'n ramp in jou kamer gebou sodat jy self kan regkom. Kyk, werk so.
So jealous, Shiro. Ugh.
Tibby, kyk Tibby, kyk. Sien? Kom, Tibby, dis nou jou beurt.
Klaar kon.
Kom.
Nee, ek veer.
Kom.
Nee, ek wil nie. Nee, you can't make me. Ek wil nie. Hey.
Guess he can make you.
Wat ben jy binne los? Pedal like.
Cuando cierran my longe fever my eye, I feel I love
That's so sad. Ah, look at him.
Ek kan jou nie elke dag kan kom haal nie, Tibbietjie. Jy sal moet self leer om op die pad te ry, hoor? Ja. Johnny het gesê ek gaan vir hallo sê. O, en die Nigeriërs. Daar is hy. Okay, mwah. Good luck.
She even bought him a new global cafe and flag. He's disappeared.
Hey, wat sê jy, Mitchell? Waar was jy? Hey, wat dink jy gaan die bulle vandag met die WP maak?
Die WP se moer, man.
Good to see you, old friend.
Fine, okay. Hoppie blow. Let's get it, and play a ball. Let's get it, and play a ball.
Lien. Ek's bly om jou te sien, Engel. How goes?
Okay, maar ek is vrek haastig.
Nee, wag eers. Dis ek en Dirkie soek jy met 'n seer hart, hoor. Luister, Engel. So Ellen het nou besluit sy wil 'n morning glory word. Ek weet nie, ek dink sy voel skuldig of iets omdat iemand anders na haar baby kyk. So, ons het iemand nodig. Elke middag van 2 uur af en dan Saterdag ook.
Ek het ander werk.
Jy het laas so lekker ingepas. Ek sou meer betaal.
They need work.
En jy en jou broer kan enige tyd kom sit vir 'n free cut.
Ek glo nie.
Dink daaroor. En bel my.
I'll push you.
Okay.
So she can work. Whoa!
Wat 'n môre maak jy?
Ja.
Lien. Hey. Wat soek jy op die strate? Kom hier. Kom, laat ek jou eens vat.
Yo, this situation is mad, bro. Like,
Kom, maak die deur toe. Maak toe.
what are the chances? I guess what's gonna happen sooner or later.
Hoe regtig nie met jou beklei nie, Lien. Om jou geld verdien is absoluut jou saak. Ek is net bekommerd dat jy dit in skooltyd doen. Ek het nie besef dit gaan so swaar nie.
Dis net tot my ma weer kan werk. Ek moet die huur betaal.
needs to pay the rent.
Luister hier. Die kerk het geld. 'n hele fonds vir mense wat swaar kry.
Van.
Tot dinge weer beter raak. Ek wil hê jy moet my lysie maak van al die uitgawes. Kos, water en ligte hier.
All your expenses.
Hoe meer gespesifiseer jy is, hoe beter. En dan hoor ons wat sê die kerkraad. Okay?
So the church can give them money. Doesn't it feel good to not have that secret anymore?
Ek sal werk vir R40 'n uur en Saterdag moet julle my meer betaal. Ek sal alles doen wat ek gedoen het en cash-ups doen, geldbank, mense se koppe was en jy noem my nie weer engel nie.
She'll work. She'll work. 40 rand now.
Why?
Up from 15 rand. It's almost like 200% markup.
Van die rol geskrap en tot 4 jaar gevangenisstraf gevonnis. Albei was prokureurs van die firma Nkobeni, Lategan en Jooste in Pretoria. Regter Epstein het gelas dat die trustgeld van etlike miljoen met rente terugbetaal moet word.
Saying that when they come out, they still need to pay it back.
Reageer op gerugte dat Suid-Afrika se 2010 sokkerbod
It's about bloody time. Where have you been?
Het voel weird om terug te wees.
Ons mis jou. Jy moet terugkom.
Eksamens is naby. Ek moet nou swat om deur te kom.
Jy kon daarom kom sê het.
Sorry.
Could have said something.
En mama? Hoe gaan dit met haar?
Sy is weer terug in die kliniek.
Oh, shame. You must keep hanging in there.
So that obviously shows that she quit begging. And now she's at the clinic. I see her mother. She's in there for a long time.
Ma. Mama.
Lien. Kom sit hier by my. Kom julle reg so op julle eie.
Ja. Gerard die predikant en die kerk help. Dan die bedstraat en kosse.
Ek het julle so gedrop. Hoe gaan dit met jou?
Is dit erg hier?
Ag, die eerste dag was die ergste. Ek het al my goed omgekeer. My tasse gekrap om te kyk of ek die drank saamgebring het nie. Dis geen genade nie. Niemand het geheime nie en niemand hou 'n pause vir enigiemand nie. Almal is gelyk.
No secrets.
Wat maak jy die hele dag?
Elke dag terapie en groepsessies.
En dan moet maar praat en so aan.
Praat en luister.
Therapie.
Hulle probeer ons oortuig ons dronk gatpaadjies soos 'n doodloopstraat. Dat 'n lewe sonder drank soveel meer betekenis het.
Glo maar dit.
Nou, Harry doen sy bes.
Wie sê?
My terapeut.
Sy goed.
Hy spesialiseer in verslawing. Hy is simpatiek, maar hy dra nie doekies op nie. Hy sê sy sê en hy laat my mooi verstaan wat is wat.
Sê mamma so sê.
Nou, is nie veel om te sê nie. Ek was 'n slegte ma.
It's bad nothing.
Ek kon nie stoot aan die stamp en die pyn van die lewe nie vat nie. Julle moes maar op julle eie klaar.
Couldn't deal with the pain of living.
Daarom nie altyd.
Let's be on your own.
Die wynboks het my laat vlieg. Tot op 'n plek waar niks meer saak maak nie. Waar ek niks meer gevoel het nie en waar berge soos klein molshopies lyk.
Didn't have to feel anything. Mountains look like
Sal maar weer drink.
Are you gonna drink again?
Ek weet nie.
I don't know.
Een keer 'n alkoholus, altyd 'n alkoholus. Hy los jou nie.
Once alcoholic, always.
Ek gaan probeer.
I'm gonna try.
Ek gaan regtig hard probeer die keer.
I'm gonna try really hard.
Van die Here hoor my, ek kan nie weer deurgaan nie.
I can't go do this again.
Sal ons ooit vir Pa kan vergewe?
Are we ever gonna forgive our dad?
Dis 'n kapelletjie aan die kant. Kom ons gaan sit bietjie daar.
There's a church.
Daar speel musiek. Bach backtracks, maar speel er niks.
They play music.
Kom speel maar nooit met klavier nie.
Why don't you play the
piano?
piano?
Daarvoor.
You used to love it.
Dit voel of 'n deel is van 'n lewe wat nou verby is.
Part of a life.
'n Lewe toe dinge mooi en goed en reg was.
That was nice.
Om nou te speel. Dit sal stupid voel.
Feel stupid.
Soos ek maak asof dinge nooit gebeur het nie.
As if nothing
Jy kan in 'n
happened.
geval nie speel as jy gedrink is nie.
You also can't play well if you drunk.
Ma moet huis toe kom.
En Jill besluit oor die vakansie.
Ek en my suster gaan Bloem toe.
Going to Bloemfontein.
My pa. Verlang jy na hom?
Ja, soet.
You miss your dad.
Ek wens net my ma wil nou oor dit kom. Ek bedoel, hoe lank kan 'n mens nou kwaad bly?
His parents are divorced.
En die nuwe vrou? Sy okay.
Sy is nie bad nie. Sy doen moeite. En sy is regtig mal oor my pa en hy like dit. En ek dink nie my ma was ooit nie. Dit regtig mal oor my pa nie. Heeltyd beklei.
Parents always fought. So they're not going to play Nora Jones like once in this entire movie. I'm crazy. Goes to visit her dad in the prison.
Ek wonder of ek jou ooit weer gaan sien.
Wondered if he's ever going to see her again.
Hoe gaan dit met julle?
How's it going?
Gaan okay? Hoekom het Pa dit gedoen?
Why'd you do it?
Daar was versoekings. Ek was gulsig.
Greedy.
Ek het gedink dat ek slim genoeg is dat hy my nooit sal vang nie.
Didn't think that you'd get pretty caught.
Hy dink baie oor die goed en dan praat hy met jou in my kop. En dan wonder ek of jy my ooit sal vergewe.
Will you ever forgive me?
Ek is so jammer, Lien.
I'm so sorry.
Ek gaan nie meer regtes word nie.
Maar daar's genoeg geld vir jou studies. Hulle
Not
kon nie aan
gonna
daai
study to
polis
be a
raak.
lawyer anymore.
Nee, dis omdat ek nie weet wat ek wil doen nie.
Word hem droog.
Het lang geword.
It got tall. It's not really how the conversation went, but it's the gist of it.
Julle moet wikkel. Daar's niks so onprofessioneel as 'n toneelgeselskap wat laat begin nie.
Maar juffrou is nog nie klaar nie. Of my lippe julle. Julle kan my. Ek kan nie sien.
Ja, toe ons gaan sit heel voor. Ek kan nie goed sien nie.
Ja, die voorste ry is vir die eregaste in die skool van sulke mense.
Nou, dan sit ons in die tweede ry. Kom my blok.
The daughter. She pulls up peroxide. This is how bleached it is.
Niemand in hierdie skool het 'n geheim wat ek moet ken.
It was clearly very good.
Speel jy nou 'n bietjie?
Ag nee, liever nie.
Ja, kom tannie speel.
Ag, toe Christine, toe.
Hey.
Hi.
Ons gaan by hulle huis celebrate. Wie saamry?
Toe maar. Ek sal self dalk kom. Kan ek iemand saambring?
Sure.
Nikki.
That's Nikki.
Vra haar. Gaan die sirkus toe? Dis beter so vir ons al twee.
Jy's 'n dark horse, Linjooste.
Laat hulle wonder.
As jy bang word in die nag, weet môre is nog 'n dag. In jou hart is jy tog vry. Uiteindelik sal jy weet of jy onthou of jy vergeet.
It's not actually what happened, but I'm glad they added it.
En soms as alles om jou breek, sprei jou vlerke, jy sal vlieg. Vanaand.
Cute, man. That is actually more or less how it is. Except, they don't, in the book, there's, like a end thing. I don't think they have it. No, it shows in the future where it's like, Lynn and Hein are a thing, and she's wearing like a top that says Tux, drama. So she's studying drama at university, and you see that her dad's out, and it's just like a cute little family moment. So that's actually how it ends. They normally like asking about the ending, so that's quite important. So I would read the ending of the book. But otherwise, that was really cute. I thoroughly enjoyed it. They left some stuff out, but quite a few of the important things are in there, so it's not bad to use this to study. Thank you for watching, if you made it this far.